all. Yes. Just looking at this banking. Yeah. Now, U.S. President Andrew Jackson vetoed a bill to recharter the bank and withdrew it from all government funds. Oh, with the failure of this bank, hundreds of new state banks were founded. Oh, money conditions became uncertain. At the start of the U.S. Civil War, about 7,000 kinds of banknotes were in circulation. Oh, and few persons knew which had any value. The war brought renewed demands on Congress to incorporate a new banking plan. The National Banking Act, which became a law in 1864, provided a uniform currency and a safer banking system. Under this law, national banks were allowed to organize. They were chartered by the national government and supervised by the U.S. Treasury Department. Look at that right there. Now, financial panics in 1893 and 1907 showed the need for further improvements in the financial system of the country. The Federal Reserve Act was passed by Congress in 1913 to solve many of the nation's banking problems. As a result of bank failures in the early 1930s, legislation was passed to provide safeguards for bank customers, and the FDIC was established. See, money, money of the United States. Now, the way it looks, yes, is the United States Treasury Department, yes, was supervising the banking system of the United States. Could you get me those employees of the U.S. Treasury there, Munchkin? Have you practiced your cursive handwriting? Now, I would think public officials means any employee of the U.S. Treasury, yes, that has any knowledge of terrorism, or I can put the whole Treasury in prison. Oh! As a secretary, you should be very, very concerned right now about your actual personal assets. Yes, you should. Now, I know you're immediately calling an attorney in the U.S. Treasury Department. Could you ask them to get you a copy of the Patriot Act as a public official of the United States Treasury, Munchkin? You're going to need to learn how to sign your signature.